Hi Year 2, it's Tuesday and today we're going to be looking at division. So have a think, what does division mean? What words are associated with division and what strategies can we use to divide? Right, so I hope you've remembered division means to share into equal groups. Share, division, equal groups, lots of are all words that we associate with division. And the quickest way to solve a division calculation is by using your times tables. And this is because times is the inverse of division. It's the opposite. You can also draw arrays to help. So here is an example. 20 divided by 5. This means how many of groups of 5 are in 20. So we need to use our 5 times tables because it says divide by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer to 20 divided by 5 equals 4. You can also work this out by drawing an array. So I was able to make 4 rows of 5 in each. Again, so the answer is 4. So here are the answers, Year 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6 because 6 times 2 is 12. 40 divided by 5 is 8 because 8 times 5 is 40. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So now what I'd like you to do, Year 2, is go to this site where you can practice your division facts. Have fun. Now, if you want to stretch yourself, you could have a go at the next slide, and this one looks at remainders. So, division with remainders. If you cannot share or group the amount equally, you will have a remainder. That is the bit that's left over. So the example I've given is 17 divided by 4. Now I know that 17 isn't in the 4 times tables, so there's going to be a remainder, some left over. So because it's divided by 4, I use my 4 times tables, and I've worked out that 4 times 4 equals 16, but I have 1 left over because I had 17 to share. So I write 17 divided by 4 equals 4 R 1. From the image you can also see that I had 17 to begin with. I divided them and put them into groups of 4, and you can see that there was 1 heart left over, so that is my remainder. So number 1 is 32 divided by 5. Now I know answers in the 5 times table end in 0 or 5. So the fact that this says 32 means that there will definitely be a remainder. Good luck everyone. Enjoy.